Now let's talk about chloramphenicol. Chloramphenicol is given orally or by intravenous injection. It is effective against a wide range of organisms. Serious adverse effects, which include bone marrow aplasia, incidence about 1 in 40,000, usually fatal, reversible, dose-related, suppression of red and white blood cells, and peripheral and optic neuritis, restrict its use for systemic infections. Chloramphenicol is now reserved for the treatment of typhoid fever and Haemophilus influenzae meningitis, but a wide-spectrum cephalosporin is usually preferred. Chloramphenicol is widely used topically to treat bacterial conjunctivitis. It is metabolized mainly in the liver and penetrates widely, including the brain. Now let's talk about streptogramins. Quinupristin and dalfopristin are cyclic peptides and act in a similar way to the macrolides. They are given in combination because individually they are less effective. They are given by intravenous infusion and are active against many gram-positive organisms. Adverse effects include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, myalgia, and arthralgia. So that was all for today's topic. Keep following sqadia.com for more such videos.